Today we have the 2017 Mini Cooper Convertible. It's a 1.5 litre petrol engine with an automatic transmission. Comes with a fully electric soft top convertible roof, fully leather interior. Got cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as hands-free voice commands. Comes with a built-in navigation system, a reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors and park assist. Got air conditioning, heated front seats, and our multimedia controls in the middle.